measuring straight line distances between cities on a South African and world map. We can use the scale of a map to convert the distance we measure on a map to the distance in reality. This makes it possible to work out the actual distance between two places on a map. Look at this map of South Africa. It has a scale of 1 centimeter to 150 kilometers. It shows the main cities in each province. We are going to measure the straight line distance between two cities, Cape Town and Johannesburg, and then use the scale to calculate the distance in reality. Place a strip of paper on the map so that you can mark off the two cities we are measuring the distance between. Hold the paper still and mark off the position of each city on the paper with a sharp pencil. Now take the piece of paper and place it on the line scale. Place the left-hand mark on 0. Now read off the distance on the line scale where the right-hand mark meets it. This will give you the distance in reality between the two cities. Now let's measure the distance between two cities, London and Washington DC, on a world map. The scale of this map is 1 centimeter represents 800 kilometers on the ground. So, although the distance in centimeters is the same as on the map of South Africa, because the scale is so much bigger, the distance in reality is much further.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.